Okay, welcome to the Foundation Infrastructure Working Group. Ooh, an update on a thing. Why didn't we merge this? I even said the thanks. I just didn't click the button, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay.
The time was over.
Yeah, something like that. No, but I think we started with that one. Seems like Vermont tested it. Tested locally. Yeah, this was instead of this other one, right? And it was now, oh, it's even closed. Closing in favor. Okay, then I think we have consensus here. Yeah, this one we discussed last week, right? There is a path forward.
There is no comment in the issue.
To summarize that, yes.
So today, someone from Orange reported that they see the issues also on OpenStack since 1.5, if I recall it correctly. Stem cell version 1.95. I asked about more input.
Which one was that? Is it on the OpenStack CPI or is it on the?
No, it's
agents?
BOSH, I think. Should be on BOSH. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's wait. We'll take them backwards.
In that version, which he listed, only the change in the ID length is in and suspicious. Yeah, interesting. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. This one that we did discuss, right? This one basically waiting for changes. It's in that same state.
I saw another one. Did they open another one?
Actually, as far as I know, he wanted to provide a new commit on that PR, but
it's on the same PR because I saw some updates.
Is there a new PR? Oh, news. No, there's this support. There's a draft here.
It's still in draft. Yeah.
okay. Maybe that was by mistake. Yeah, I'll get in touch with him tomorrow.
Okay.
But the implementation looks straightforward in the PR.
Oh, you already looked at the draft?
Yeah, it's not much code actually.
No.
It's all you have to do.
looks way better than the other one actually, right? Like
Yeah.
cleaner. It just
Yeah.
there's some tests missing, right? This needs some test coverage.
Yeah, that's
It's not-
exactly what he wanted to implement. Yeah, I will ask him tomorrow.
But I like how it looks,
Mhm.
right? Compared to especially this stuff, right? The fact that you have to get all these variables, that the fact that you don't have to do that, I think, is an indication that this is a better direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. 7 hours ago. Yeah, I have no context on this. Let's try if Dave wants to look at this, because he had context on this last time.
Yeah.
Let's wait for that. Update the column to pending review. That's a bigger one. I don't understand what's happening here. This looks
Different
like,
things.
yeah, different things, but like, what's the motivation behind this? Is it like just updating older stuff? The goal not.
Maybe you can ask because maybe
Yeah.
this all the stuff, the counterfeiter, but the removal, I wasn't sure why it's happening.
This one we said we're not gonna do it, right? Okay. Because we're not gonna follow this direction, I think.
Yeah.
Get that out of the way. Okay. That guy.
So this was brought up by Johan in our Boost channel. I decided to open an issue.
Happy to review a PR, I guess.
Mhm. But
Yes, these. But
I,
it's so.
there was a talk by
Mhm.
my impression was that he worked. They worked in everything. I was surprised that in Bosch deployment we have some.
I think he touched CF deployment. Maybe he didn't do C. But is Bosch bootloader is probably, is it overwritten by the, no.
No, Johan mentioned that Bosch deployment has old VM
Instance
types.
type, yeah, VM types. So I think like he just looked at Bosch bootloader and CF deployment, probably.
Okay, but we can go with the same
Instance types from here, right?
Sync here, so that CF deployment, Bosch bootloader and Bosch deployment have similar VM types and disks.
Yes. Yeah, because what does it map to? I see. So here's a cloud config. And that had a, so M1 large, M5 large. And what's used for the instance itself. Instance type, it's a medium, V3. Is there a T5?
I have to check this.
Because those instance types are still here, right? T3A. I don't know what the difference is between T3A.
Yeah.
This is a small.
Yeah.
I mean the A's are the AMD processors, which are simply cheaper, right?
I didn't know that. Okay.
We're currently jumping on that for many VMs.
Okay. Yeah, I see. It's these epic ones. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the only difference then, right?
If that's the only difference, maybe we can keep it like it is. We have to check the difference here, I think.
Let's check when this was changed, right?
Blame is on the left in the meantime.
Oh, wow. Why? I should never change things. That's annoying. Yeah. Last year.
Yeah.
So he did it for Azure, AWS, and GCP. Yeah.
I will check with Johan what he means.
Yes.
We
I mean,
missed
there's meanwhile a generation 6, right?
Yeah, sure. But if we want to look at those, then we need to revisit everything, right? It's not just Bosch
Yeah.
deployment.
Yeah.
So I think it's more about scope. It's not so much about like if we
Yeah.
should revisit or not. So this is now in discussion.
Here I heard in last meeting you discussed that we should test in SAP how it behaves if a task is started and then we just kill the workers, right? I didn't manage to test that this week. I will provide the required feedback in this ticket. Yeah.
Okay. Then we keep it in the discussion. This one being addressed in the meantime. Yeah, this one has been merged, right? And let's put that in discussion then. I pinged Emilia, but she didn't respond yet. Let's wait a bit more for that. Oh yeah, that one just closed. It just updated. Did we have a release in the meantime? Nope. I will ask again. Okay. Being long again. think that's all that had recent updates, right? Or this one? Oh, that's last month. So they will look into it. Okay. That's all. Anything else? We need to start looking into ideas for the get together in after CFD.
Yeah, I don't have any updates yet, but yeah. After my vacation, we can discuss more in details.
Yeah. But then we don't have much time, right, to set something up. Am I correct? So you're out next week.
It will be
So that will
more,
give us a 1 week, right? So we have the week of the
yes.
12th to set something up. Okay.
Yeah. But I also, Stefan Clemens is there. I will talk with him whether he can
Yeah.
get in
Okay.
touch with them.
Yeah, but we probably want to start inviting people before that. Like, so what's the scope? Do we want to like reach out to people that we know that are coming that are contributors? Is that the goal?
Depends on who is available. Maybe if you and Konstantin, for example, are only available, we can do something with the Bosch team, maybe.
Yeah, well, Konstantin is not coming. Maybe Ramon is coming, but like, I mean, I think Chris is already interested, so maybe we can make it a bit like bigger, see if, because I mean, I don't know how many people there are actually that will be available. I mean, maybe
Yeah.
there's like some of the cloud service broker. There are some contributors on that. There's Ramon.
You.
And what else? Maybe some UAA folks want to get together, right?
Yeah.
At that point, it would be fun. Like UAA falls on the foundation infrastructure. I would love to be able to talk with these people and connect a bit more.
Yeah, I can take care of this too. Get in touch with them.
So like basically everybody who's like active in one of the working groups, I think we should like see if they want to hang out. I mean, that probably already is not such a big group because there's not that many people that are active in working groups and are still there on that day.
Yeah. I know that Stefan Merkel won't be available, for example. They have some team event.
Okay.
If Eric is there, Eric, maybe we can have also some TUC even. Sounds good. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, I don't have anything concrete now. That's depends on different things, but we will be good to organize something. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we should probably be sending out something because people are at this time probably starting to book their travels, right? So if they want to come, they can still make that happen.
Where to send it?
Yeah, I would say like maybe even the mailing list or something. But I don't know if that's too open.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, when you invite people, does it mean you have to cover everything? It's on that. That's why I don't.
But I mean, like, yeah, sure. But I think that we can figure out, right? Like, because you can always change like the activity. to be less costly.
You can just go to a bar with each other, right?
Yes, right. So we don't, it doesn't have to be really like fancy. I think we just want, maybe it would be good to set like a date, a bit of a time and a place, not like the location yet, but like more of like it's gonna be around this city, and like have people RSVP on like a, I don't know, Google form or something, right? So that we at least know how many people will be coming.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I will try to get more. Yeah, I will try to get more input here tomorrow, and maybe let's see.
Let's
Okay.
we'll discuss on Slack and then see if we can send something out by tomorrow.
Yeah, but it makes sense. Sure. Yeah, makes sense.
Maybe we can also like you and I can set something up with Chris Clark, that we maybe discuss a bit with him. He has more experience with organizing things.
Mhm. Yeah. Yes. Tomorrow. Yeah.
I don't know if that, it's a bit short notice, but I will set up a Slack thread or a direct message with the three of us, and then we can see if we can set
Okay.
something.
Okay. Sounds great. Thank you.
Thanks. Any other business people want to discuss?
No. Some PR broke the leftovers in CI, so need to fix that for the Bosch bootloader. But I hope that.
Oh, you did bump it in your.
No, it was just some PR that was so the pipeline was paused. I paused that for some reason, don't know why. But I just ran it again because I want to merge my Azure because it seems what you suggested that seems to work.
Oh, nice.
So now I just wanted to merge my stuff, but then I saw that the acceptance test is failing on the pipeline, so I need to fix. I will look at that tomorrow,
Oh, nice.
and then I will push the Azure stuff and all the other. You just accepted a few. I saw up yours.
Yeah, I think those were mostly planned patches.
Yeah. So then I will try to release at the end of the day tomorrow the new bootloader.
Right. Yeah. That's nice.
It doesn't have to be a minor bump, right? It can just be a patch.
Yeah, I think.
Nothing really changes, so it's just internals.
Yeah, like there's no breaking changes in the interface, I believe. So.
No, okay.
Okay. Thanks.
See you guys
See
later.
you later. Bye.
Bye.
Nice evening. Bye bye.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Yeah.